Well, hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So I know I have been MIA and I am really going to do a video on that. I just want to show you guys I am in the process of canning this turkey stock. I'm going to show it to you in just a second here. I have it boiling really super rapidly right now. I'm going to turn it off because I am going to can it. So we're going to turn that completely off. And I have my jars right here all ready to go. My canner is ready to go. I have my strainer all ready to go for the turkey stock. I am really excited, you guys, because I have not done turkey stock in so many years, like over 20. So this is a really big thing for me, and I have over half a pot of stock. I kept adding water to it because it was super concentrated. So it's still super concentrated. It's so good, you guys, so good. So I guess we're going to be doing a lot of turkey stock recipes along with a lot of other things. And I just want to let you know what is coming soon. So I have carrots that I'm going to be canning. I have sweet potatoes that I'm going to be canning. Regular potatoes. I am going to be canning onions somehow. I have onion recipes, caramelized onions. I bought too many onions. So when I got back from Oregon, I bought more onions, and I hadn't remembered that I had a bunch of onions already home. And then I did some mystery shopping yesterday, and guess what? I bought some more onions. So I have literally about 10 pounds of onions to can or dehydrate. I might dehydrate them too. Oh, so yeah, still out of breath. Still having problems with my wrist, and still having problems with my back. I know you guys don't even know about that part. I'm hoping to do a live this weekend sometime. I have a lot of stuff to do, so I'm not sure when. So it's probably going to just be an impromptu live. So if you guys miss it, no worries. I'll talk about what I need to talk about, and then you guys can catch it later. Not a big deal. What I do want to tell you is that my Etsy store is full of canning rings and lids if you guys should need them. I also have some Disney stuff up. I also have stuff in my Mercari store, which is JD Grant 12. But I'm going to tell you right now that my canning stuff is a little bit higher there because they charge me a little bit more than Etsy does. And that's the only reason. So if you guys want lids or anything like that, just let me know and I will list them on Etsy because Etsy is more, it's cheaper for me, and I don't do this for the money for you guys. You guys are my subscribers, you're my friends, you're my YouTube family, and I just want to get you guys lids and rings that that you can't get otherwise by you. So basically in Etsy, it's my cost, and on Mercari, it's the stuff that I have extra that I'm trying to sell so that I can buy some other stuff and sell that. But I do have a lot of Disney stuff and, you know, other stuff like that on Mercari. So I might do a short video of the stuff that I'm selling in case you guys want any of it, and let you know how to get it. We might even do it right through YouTube, through a YouTube live or YouTube video. I don't know if you guys are going to be interested in that stuff. What else do we have to can? Oh my goodness. So much coming up. I am getting ready for Canuary. I have been invited to participate this year or next year, 2022, and I am really excited, you guys, because for years I have watched this, and I've really loved the Canuary recipes and everything with Lisa Sutton at Sutton's Days, Jenny Goff, Prepper Potpourri, Linda's Pantry, all of my favorite canners who have become my friends and have included me this next year in Canuary. So I am really excited, you guys. There's also going to be some more giveaways. I know I've been really lax on the giveaways. And all my Canadian, well, not all of them, some Canadian packages have gotten through. There are 3 packages that have not gotten through, and I'm working to get that remedied. I also have 2 packages that came back to me from the US, a mangled mess, and I've gotten in touch with those people. So I want to get all of those situated before I do another giveaway. I want to get everything out of the way because I want to do a good giveaway for you guys. It's not going to be a huge giveaway. We're not at 8,000 subscribers yet, and I'm really trying to get to 8,000. So if you guys want to share this video, share my channel, like all my videos, go back and watch, because I went away for 2 weeks and I didn't really post anything. My viewership is really down. My monetization is hugely down, just because I took off that 2 weeks, and I did post some videos, but I just didn't post enough. And so my income on YouTube went from, gosh, it dropped probably 35%. So, and just because I wasn't posting anything, and then when I got back, some things happened, and I know you guys know that I was sick a little bit. It just turned out to be just a small cold. I wasn't really sick, but I did hurt my back. Other than my wrist, I have no brace on right now, but that doesn't mean I'm not in pain. Still in pain, still fighting all of this stuff, you guys. It's kind of disheartening because there is so much I want to do and so much I want to show you guys. And it's really, really difficult to get this stuff done. It's really difficult to get motivated to get up and do this stuff when I'm in so much pain. I was in so much pain the other night that I came really, really close to going to the emergency room. Never been in that kind of pain before since labor. Really bad back spasm, not a good thing. Yeah, so I've been taking it really easy, trying to can as little as I can, but I need to get stuff done because I've bought the food to can. So that's why I've been MIA a little bit, and there's going to be more to come in the video. I want to tell you guys all about my trip and my sister and singing and all that stuff. Some of the goodies that I found there in Oregon. Lots I want to tell you guys, and I haven't had a chance. And I know it is now December, and we're past the date that I said that we were going to do a giveaway, and I'm really sorry. But have no fear. I will be doing my giveaways. Just like always, I just want to make sure that everybody from the last 2 giveaways have gotten their things, because right now I'm having a problem with Canadian packages getting there. And they're not coming back to me either. So I'm not quite sure what's going on. I did used to work for the post office, so I've got some ins there, and they're looking into it for me. So hopefully we can track these packages down, and get them back out. So, because this is driving me nuts, you guys. You know, I want to give away stuff. I tell you that I'm giving stuff away, and I keep my word. I promise. When I say something, I do it. I'm not one to go back on my word. So if I say I'm sending you a package, that package was mailed. I don't have any control, unfortunately, with the post office or the time it gets delivered. Going through customs, nothing like that. So it's out of my control once it leaves my hands. So I am working diligently to find out what happened to these packages. I've contacted everyone that's involved, which is only 4 people. But still, those 4 people mean a lot to me because they haven't gotten what they were supposed to get. So, you know, I'm not somebody who says they're going to do something and then doesn't follow through. I think you guys know me better than that after all of these years. And, you know, when I say I'm sending you something, I send it. So please bear with me, and hopefully we'll get this situated. If not, I'm just going to send, you know, second packages out. I mean, there's nothing else I can do, right? So anyway, so please bear with me. The canning video for the stock is going to be very, very, very short. I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys a little bit about what's going on and what I'm doing. And we may take you on a little adventure tomorrow because I have a couple mystery shops into Montecito, which is near Santa Barbara, but before Santa Barbara for me, which is a really, really pretty little town. Lots of celebrities live there. Prince Harry, Meghan, Duchess of Sussex lives there. Oprah. I don't think we're going to see anybody there. Although I have seen some celebrities there. I do not take pictures. I do not ask for autographs or anything like that. I was raised in a household that was, how do I put that? That we worked for several celebrities growing up. I grew up with knowing a lot of celebrities, but never allowed to ask for autographs or anything like that, but did have a really good time growing up knowing these people. And I still know several celebrities that I'm very, very good friends with today, but not going to tell you who they are, not going to share that information here. Just know that wherever I go, if I see somebody, they're not going to be on camera or anything like that, but I am going to show you the pretty places that I go, and hopefully you guys will enjoy seeing those places as well. So with that, I am going to leave this with a word of the day. That word of the day is stocking up. So in light of everything that's going on, especially now, I think that all of us should be stocking up. And I know I have a lot of new subscribers because of this, and they want to learn how to stock up their pantry, whether it be canning, dehydrating, gardening, or freeze-dried food through Thrive Life. I'm also going to do a unboxing from Thrive Life. I got part of my order already, and I am excited to show you guys what I got. We are going to be doing some Thrive Life recipes really soon and showing you guys how it works. The Thrive Life link is going to be in this description for this video. And I hope that you guys will join as delivery customers. So much benefit. If you can't find meat in the store, or if you want long-term storage for your meat and vegetables with no waste, Thrive Life freeze-dried foods is the way to go. And they have a lot of December specials, you guys. And I'm going to show you all of those in one separate video. And I think that's all for now. I've got to get this turkey stock in my canner, and I will see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe so that you're eligible to win in all of my giveaways. There is a dehydrator coming at 8,000 subscribers, and I really, really want to give away a pressure canner at 10,000 subscribers. So my goal for that is February, by my birthday, February 2022, and I really believe that we're going to make it. With your help, spreading my channel, sharing it, liking, going back and watching some of my videos through, playing the videos through so that I get some more watch time and YouTube promotes my videos a little bit more, because that 2 weeks gone really hurt me, you guys. It really did. So I just need a little bit of help. I know a lot of you guys are going back and watching my older videos, and I really, really appreciate it. I have lots of information. And like always, if you have any questions, you can email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com. And I also have a membership called Creative Canners. The join button should be right next to my subscribe name. When you look at my name, if you're not subscribed, or even if you are, there's going to be a join button there. More on that later. I already have several of you that have joined my membership, and I am really, really grateful for you. We're going to have lots of one-on-one time, special videos, special live chats, and a special text number where you guys can get a hold of me with any questions, or just want to say hello at any time. So really looking forward to that. So thank you guys for watching. Comment the word of the day in the comment section, like the video, share, and don't forget to subscribe to be eligible to win. Thanks, you guys. I will see you soon.